Have you ever looked at a clock, a movie title, or even a building and seen strange letters like XIV, MMXX, or IX and then wonder what they mean? Those aren't just random letters. They are Roman numerals, a number system that has survived over 2000 years, from ancient Rome to modern day uses in book chapters, clock faces, kings' names, and even major events like Super Bowl. Roman numerals are everywhere, hiding in plain sight. But here is the interesting part. Most people either don't understand them or find them confusing. Not anymore. With Tutors, in this video you will learn how Roman numerals actually work in the simplest way possible, how to read and write Roman numerals, the secret rules that make everything easy to understand, and how to solve examination question with confidence. By the end of this video, you won't just recognize Roman numerals, you will master them. Good day and welcome to Tutors. Remember, at Tutors, we demystify your curiosity and will help you to enjoy maths. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we demystify this concept. Our word for discussion today is Roman numeral. In the course of this lesson, you'll be encountering words like Indo-Arabic numeral, Roman numerals. It is very important to learn about the Roman key digits before we discuss Roman numbers. Roman key digits are simply numbers or digits that you combine to form a bigger Roman number. For instance, here we have I. I is 1. 5. V is 5. X here is 10. L is 50. C is 100. D 500. And M is 1000. It is very important to know these numbers because in the course of our lesson today, you're going to be combining these letters to form our Roman numbers. So in that case, let us repeat what we've done again. I here simply means 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, and M 1000. So in the course of this lesson, we're going to be combining these key digits to form numbers, Roman numbers. So let us look at rules for writing Roman numerals. It's very important to know the rules because if you don't know the rule, it will be very difficult for you to write numbers in Roman numeral or in Hindu-Arabic numeral. So, writing number by subtracting digits. Now, let us look at what it states. When a smaller key digit like 1, I is the smallest key digit. If I comes before V, V is a bigger key digit. So when a smaller key digit comes before a bigger digit, what happens? We subtract in order to form a number. For instance, in this case, we have I, and then we have V. I is smaller than V because here I is 1, while V is 5. The smaller key digit comes before, so in this case we have V coming after I. Here you will subtract in order to get your number. So V, that is 5, take away 1, you'll get what? 4. So here we have 4 here. We subtract in order to get. For instance, again, we have another number. Let's say we have I and X. Here, I comes before X. So this is a smaller key digit coming before a bigger key digit. A smaller key digit coming before a bigger key. So what do? You subtract. And here, what are we going to have here? 9, because x here is 10, take away 1. Another example is x coming before c. X here is 10 and it comes before c, which is 100. So what is 100? Take away 10, you're going to get 90. So in this case, xc is 90. Another example is cm. C is smaller than M because C is 100 while M is 1000. So definitely M will subtract C because M is bigger than C. So we have 1000 take away 100. And what will be our answer? 900. So CM is equal to 900. And let's look at the second rule. The second rule is just the addition rule. And what is the addition rule here? If a smaller key digit comes after a bigger key digit, what do? We add. In this case, we have VI. V is bigger than I. Since V is bigger than I, what are we going to do here? We are expected to add. And whenever you add, you have 5 here plus 1. What is 5 plus 1? It's 6. So VI is 6. Another example is XI. X is bigger than I. So since X is bigger than I and it's coming before I, what do? You are expected to add. And that will give you 10 plus 1. What are we expected to get here? We're expected to get 11. So another example is CX. C is definitely bigger than X here. So since C is bigger than X, what are we expected to do? We are expected to add. C is 100 while X is 10. So 100 plus 10, what are we expected to get? 110. And the final example here is D and C. D is definitely bigger than C because D is 500 while C is 100. And since D comes before C here, what are we expected to do? We are expected to add. And 500 plus 100, what is our answer? Our answer here is 600. So DC is equal to 600. So let us look at the next rule. Here, the next rule is when you have same digits adding up, they will definitely add up to give you a new number or a number. So digits of the same values add up to form a number. Here we have x, x, x. What will they add up to give you? 30, because that is 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Next one, another example here. C plus C plus C. These are the same value here. They will add up to give you 300. Another example is M. 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 M here is 1000, 1000, 1000. When you add this 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, what will you eventually get? You will definitely get 3000. So let us look at other example. Now, in order to solve Roman numerals, in order to write numbers in Roman numeral, it is very important to know Roman numerals in thousands, hundred, tens, and units. Thousand, hundred, tens, and units. So here we have the units digit in the Roman numeral. 1 here simply means I. 2, I. 3, I. 4, IV. 5, V. 7, VII. 8, VII. And 9 is IX. So can we read this together? 10 rather is X. 20 is XX, 30 is XXX. 40 here, you see the change starts from here. Since X is a smaller key digit and it comes before a bigger key digit, what are you expected to do? You are expected to subtract. So 50, which is L, take away 10. What will you get? 40. 50 here is L. 60, LX. So 50 comes before 10. So what are you expected to do? You are expected to add. Here you have 70, LXX. So in this case, you're at double digits here. And since you're at double digits here, what are you expected to do? You are expected to add. Here you have XXX. You are as well expected to add here. But mind you, when you are adding Roman numeral with the same digit, they must not go beyond 3. So here you have XXX and you change to what? XC. And we'll move on to 100. For 100, 100 is C, 200 CC, 300 CCC, 400 CD, 500 D, 600 DC, 700 DCC, 800 DCCC, 900 CM, and finally the thousandth place. M is 1000, 2000 is MM, 3000 is MMM, 4000 is IV bar. Don't forget that. 5000 is V bar. 6000 is VI bar. 7000 is VII bar. 8000 is VIII bar. 9000 is IX bar, and 10,000 here is X bar. So let us quickly move on to solve some questions. Let us write the following in Roman numeral. The first example here is write 349 as a Roman number. So in order to do this, the simplest thing to do is to partition. So if I want to partition this, I'll just expand this. Partition simply means expanding. It means you should group in 100, tens, and units. So since we have 100 here, so 3 here is 300 plus 40 and plus 9. What is 300 here? Remember, you have 100 plus another 100 plus another 100. Then you have your plus. What is 40? Don't forget that 40 is 50 minus 10. So a smaller key digit is coming before a bigger key digit. And finally, 9 here is 10 minus 1. So a smaller key digit is coming before a bigger key digit. So what's our answer here? Our answer is C. 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 X. L. I. X. So we have succeeded in writing 349 as a Roman number. Let us look at another example. Write 1089 as a Roman number. First things first, you have to partition. So this is 1000. 1 here is in the thousandth place, plus 7 here. The value of 7 there is 700. What's the value of 8 there? The value of 8 is 80 in that number. And finally, we have 9. What is 1000 in Roman numeral? 1000 here is M, plus what is 700? Don't forget that you can further partition this into 500 and 200. Then plus, you can as well write this as 50, that is L, then plus X, plus X, plus X. Then finally, we can now write our IX. Remember, 10 minus 1. So what's our final answer? Here, our final answer is M, D, C, C, L, X, 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 I, and X. So we have successfully written 1789 as a Roman number. Another example is Write 5,678 as a Roman number. So don't forget to partition. We have 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 and plus 80, plus 8 rather. What is 5,000 in Roman numeral? 5,000, don't forget, is V bar, plus 600. 600 here is DC. Next you have L, 50 plus 10, 60 plus another 10, 70. And finally we have V plus I plus another I and plus another I. So what's our answer now? Our answer is V bar DC LXX, then V I and I. And finally, we have 9,840. This is very simple, right? So why don't you try this and drop your answer in the comment section. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do that, because at K Tutors, we demystify your curiosity and we help you to enjoy maths. Okay, now let's write in Hindu Arabic numbers. Hindu Arabic numbers are just the system of writing numbers that we know today. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Example number 1. We've been asked to write CMLXVI as a Hindu Arabic number. Now, in order to write this, it's very important to partition. So you have to know your table of Roman numerals that we've done in the previous slide. So here, what do we have here? We have CM, so CM LX VI. So here, this is our 100, while this is our 10. So this is 100 and this is our 10th digit here. So you have CM plus LX plus VI. What is CM here? From our table, CM is 900, because you are removing 100 from 1000. Then plus, what is LX? In this case, you are adding 50 to 10. You are adding 10 to 50. Here you get 60. Then what is VI? That is 6. So what's our final answer here? 966. So you have 966. That's our final answer. Next, we've been asked to write MCMLXXXIV as a Hindu Arabic number. So here, let us look at this. This is our 1000 digit. This is our 100 digit. Remember, 1000 take away 100. What will you get? 900. So this is our 100 digits. Remember, if you look at the table, it will help you to navigate through this, because that table in the previous slide, I have separated units from tens, tens from 100, and 100 from 1000. So this will help you partition effectively. So we have M plus CM plus XLXXX plus IV. So here we have 1000 plus 900 plus 80, then plus 4. So what are we going to get here? We have 1984. 1984. And the next number here is, we've been asked to write M CM, XLIV as Hindu Arabic numeral. This is very simple. If you go through your table again, you will see that M here is the 1000 digit, CM here is the 100 digit, XL here is the 10th digit, and VI is the unit. So let's start. So we have M, and M plus C, M plus XL, then plus IV. What is M? So here, remember, we have 3 digits repeating itself, the same digit repeating itself. So this is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. Here we have 3000. Then here is a smaller key digit coming before a bigger key digit. What are you expected to do? You are expected to subtract, right? So here's 1000, take away 100. What are we going to get here? 900 plus a smaller key digit again coming before a bigger key digit. This is 50, take away 10 rather, and this is 40, then plus 4. So this is 3944. So 3944. And the final example here is MDCCC LXVII. So this is very, very simple, and I expect you to solve this and drop your answer in the comment section. So please, at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so, because at our channel, we demystify your curiosity and we help you to enjoy maths. Today, we learned the Roman key digits, we looked at rules for writing Roman numbers, and we also wrote numbers in Hindu Arabic numeral and in Roman numbers. So, if in any case you don't understand anything, kindly comment in the comment section and I will be very swift to answer you. Don't forget that at Tutors, we demystify your curiosity and we help you to enjoy maths. So bye for now and have a wonderful day.